actually do this. Like, see, it's available on Twitch now. I'm streaming. Oh, this is actually streaming. Cool. That looks great. And then we can look at need to be more on the chat, and we can also check like how do streamers actually do this? Like, do they until I get yeah, like these are fucked up. Need to be more on the chat, and we like for real. How do like streamers check this beforehand, or is it like just they trust it enough because they do it so many times? Like this screen is frozen, so that's why it confuses me. I'm just staring in the abyss of something. Yeah, I can integrate chat more, but yeah, regardless. As I was saying in my previous stream, where everything just went to hell, essentially because I think my internet just died. But yeah, have been on the grind before. It's been 2 months since last time, and now I need a job, so I'm started grinding once again. Um, I did the Leetcode 75 like previously, and I started doing that in my previous streams before I realized, yeah, I'm not gonna do this anymore. I remember the answers to a lot of the questions, or that like I had no idea. I just looked at the answer that I had already written. So I realized like I needed something else to like go through this and just relearn everything. So I'm taking it step by step, starting at the beginning, realize that I'm like humble myself, and realize that yeah, I'm just at the beginning. So previously I learned something new about dynamic arrays. I was not aware of like how they worked exactly. Essentially just a list in Python that you can add and delete from, which is pretty simple. However, something I didn't know was that the memory is increased every time you exceed the threshold that you have created yourself. It will increase by 1.5. The normal is the doubling. So that was fascinating. Um, yeah, I think I would say I would have done this. Can I check it? No, I have to actually. Okay, oh yeah, Mark. And I will actually try code yourself. And I will actually try to like do some coding first, just to ensure I know it, and then move on. Oh, I have to design the dynamic. To be fair, I think I could do it that. But the question is, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. Con oh, it's on Leetcode. Yeah, fine. Given a okay, I as people might have noticed, I'm not from an English-speaking country. This is like my third language of choice, so I would struggle like pronouncing some words. Concat Concatenation of arrays. Okay, how do I say this word? Is actually embarrassing. Okay, concatenation. I will do something that like us foreigner are great at doing. It's just like writing it in Google Translate. Concat. What? Concatenation.
Concatenation.
Concatenation. Why it's so utterly British? Anyways, given an integer array nums of length n, you want to create an array ans of length 2n, where ans equals to nums and to nums. Okay, this seems pretty easy. I don't see the Like it's almost too straightforward that I'm uncertain. And the runtime, do I like have to do it? Like what stops me from just yeah, what stops me from doing it like twice? Except from okay, there has to be like oh no, it might be interesting because of the way it depends. Can I join them together somewhere? Because I don't know how to join them. I will actually check it up. So I would just yeah, if this works, I'm so stupid. But yeah, but how does this like show that I understood it? Now I'm just yeah, like what what other way are people doing it? Yeah, this is sh again. I'm not gonna bash anyone because I'm pretty bad myself. But this is actually I don't understand it. Okay, this is fine. This is actually okay. I was thinking initially that this is the way I was supposed to do it, not this way. This is even more complicated than what I assumed. Okay, so it was that easy. Okay, cool. Then I would say I understand it now. So I will give myself mark as check. Yeah, can can I not say that I've done it? Okay, I've done it now. Okay, hash usage. I can't do this. I think I know this well enough that I would just yeah, twosome, love it. That I would just try myself and figure out. Oh, I've done it before. This is return if any more than once. Yeah, okay, I see what I was doing. I was just doing like return set of nums equals to nums. Because like if there do I need to it should work, shouldn't it? No, it does not work. How what? This more than once. Okay. Not equal. Okay, the reason I hesitated earlier was like, oh, just do len. I used way too many. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't like. Okay, I will clean up. I will be better. I will be more. Oh, now I needed that. Okay, I wasn't that bad. It's just more this. Yeah. So I will run it. Yeah. Okay, I remember like I didn't see exactly what I did there, but like I realized like, oh, I've done this before. This is pretty simple. And now I hear contains the food. Nice. Yeah, I will open this. Oh, I can just yeah, external link. Okay, I will not look. I will just I generally didn't, even though I was staring at it, I didn't like read anything. So yeah, twosome, that this is actually a famous problem. I don't remember like what twosome is actually about. Return this is such a okay. I don't know what's the most optimized way of doing it. I would assume with a dictionary would be the most optimal way of doing it. Essentially, you need 7. It's not even a dictionary, to be fair. Oh, I need a dictionary because of the indexing. Do I return? Oh, you were guaranteed I remember. Because this is such an easy question, that's why I want to do it optimally. Like, I could. Do we know if this is always like increasing, or is it just the way it looks now? But yeah, regardless, return answer with the smallest indexes first. Yeah, that's the reason. Like, the optimal one would be to create a dictionary, right? I actually need to be familiar, but this isn't about, is it? I'm not certain. Like I can't remember exactly how it would work. Because okay, I can see, explain the way I was thinking. Essentially, just create the. But is it a dictionary? I don't think I need a dictionary. I would just temp list equals. So for num in nums. Do, I yeah, that's actually true. Okay, dictionary is better. But now I have to admit something that's almost embarrassing. I don't completely remember how like dictionaries worked. I will assume something. So yeah, it's for E. Do I need to enumerate? I don't need to enumerate. For E in range of len of nums. If nums I in temp list return um temp. Hmm. Okay, I understand. Template list of that num. Like, how do I search in a dictionary based on value? No, because I need the index. It's a weird dictionary, shouldn't it be? Okay, I'm not thinking of. No, I don't need to. I'm overthinking it. I have no need to do that. This is such an easy question that it feels embarrassing not to do it like the perfect, most optimal way. But yeah, then I will find the nums of I. right? No, I can't. Never mind. Of I. And the second that would end this I. Right. Shouldn't it? I. I think the turn. Okay. Yeah, isn't. Okay, if not, temp list of. Is it like this or is it like this? I'll try this first. Equals I. I would just want to see like how the temp list would look if I did. Hmm. Oh, sorry, I need to add the target minus I. Nums of I. But it didn't return it. Dun, 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 dun. Shouldn't it have found it on 3? Like I have it on the basically the way I wanted it, I assume. Or I could. Okay, the way I've written it's actually incorrect. I don't think this is the most optimal way anymore. Yeah, why did this print out? My output is empty. Oh, okay, I see. It's not this, it's this. Yeah, why doesn't it return it? If nums of I in... Oh, because... Does it check for values or does it check for... Like I did it this way just so I don't need to like and so I didn't need a list that I need to search through. I want to do it like optimally. However, this is not optimally at all, so I'm trying to figure out what the issue is. Can I print it? Like, why didn't this work? Dude, I'm lost here. Just like prove it goes there. Yeah, it actually goes there. How was the... I don't remember the function, but... So, but if I do it like this, shouldn't this work? Do I get actually the one? No, that doesn't work. Is it not this way? Uh, okay, just temp list of 0. Do I get that one? No. But of 4? This is the reason I had to start from the beginning. I'm trying to figure out how dictionary works again. Yeah, I can do that. So temp list of 4. Oh, but shouldn't be okay. Nums of I should in this case be on the second one is 3, so it should be 4. It's target shouldn't. Why does this not work? Target minus. Shouldn't this work? I'm like surprised it doesn't work. Okay, why is this not working? I can guarantee it's like a stupid thing that I'm like overlooking, and that's the reason like I can't. Yeah, 4. And target is 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Oh, it's 3. No, but I'm. Wait a second. Okay. So it finds the 4. Wait a second. It is the 4. It shouldn't be. Yeah? Which, why does this not minus 4? Why does this not work though? Yeah, why does it skip? No, that's correct. Oh, it's 3. Why am I stupid? Why am I so stupid? I don't. If nums and. Oh, wait a second. I don't need it, do I? I just need this, doesn't matter, don't I? This should be the same. Why am I like so stupid? Yeah, 0 and 1. Okay. Temp list. And I want to retrieve it this way. So, and then I. Yeah, now it works. I don't know what's happening with me. No, it didn't work. Oh no, it worked. Yeah, it's accepted. Yeah, I did it. It's oh yeah, it worked. Okay, it was I had the wrong answer before. Yeah, this was embarrassingly tough for me apparently. Anyways, back to okay. Least recent use are yeah, LRU cache level. The cache should support the following operations: the initialize the RU cache as the size of capacity. Yeah. Return the value corresponding to a key if the key exists. Otherwise, return -1. Void update the value if the key exists. Otherwise, add to the cache. If the instruction was selected, remove the least recently used key. It's going to use if a get or put is called on. Okay, I just need to like visualize like how I'm attacking this problem. I was thinking like just a simple Yeah, just a really simple stack. Why was I thinking of dictionary when stacks all this completely fine? Okay, so you initializes it, the size capacity. Where do I get capacity? Okay, explanation. Oh, this is to, okay. To be fair, I don't need to actually have a capacity in the like I can fake it in a way. Like it's not on the max capacity. I realize I struggle a lot like with how I actually want to check something. Just testing the sound for something. Oh, you can see. Ah, cool. Just testing the sound for something. My voice is so weird right now. I don't understand why. Oh, you can see. Anyways, back to business because it's frozen. I just needed to check that. I use way too much time like thinking. I should attack. Okay, to be fair, I'm just in the beginning. It's fine. I can take my time. Hmm. Oh, it is dictionary. Yeah. Mm. Just out of curiosity, like, is I just it's probably not neither. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. Because the reason I'm like I wanted the LIFO ordering in a sense that I could easily remove things, but I don't know how to do it now. Like, how would I do this without doing it? Does that make sense? And I feel cheating if I just, yeah, is that a case? Basic things. I'm so bad at prompting. I realized like I see it. I was so much better before, like when I was doing it more actively. Okay, so I was this is exactly what I need. Form from corrections import order dict. When it initializes, I wanted to create Pardon me? Like how did I do it? Just yeah, how did I do it? Just I'm just trying to understand if this is something they made themselves or if this is actually from the documentation of something. I don't think so. Yeah, but this is fine. Oh, you essentially, yeah, that was actually my initial thought. Yeah, that was actually what I was thinking. So capacity equals to capacity, and you just initialize this. So cache was to predict. Yeah, they did. Yeah, okay, because it's a class. Yeah. I think this should be fine. Okay, so we get it from G. Okay, so get is essentially just I'm just like trying to like understand everything as it like I don't know what the best way of attacking a problem is. Because for me there are two ways of doing like the interview style, the focus on interview. Firstly, you can like a lot of the online assessment is just do as quickly as you can. Because more often not there's not enough time for you to like fuck around. It's a problem as well a lot. I realized that when I did it, but yeah, not a, you can't just do it at the same time. Yeah, I'm so bad at streaming. It's incredible. The fact that there was one guy who actually sent me a message, even though it was probably recruiting to his Discord, it was still like, oh my god, people can find me. That was so weird. Yeah, but in an interview, I think I would actually document more comments and maybe a doc string to like explain exactly what I'm planning to do to make it, which is like to be fair, the correct coding standard. Like for code quality, it makes it easier for the next person to look over my code. I think I will not do that for now. Just be I realize like I'm bad at coding right now. I need just to improve it quickly. Anyways, so get what I'm doing now is just for the if it doesn't exist, else I yeah I need to figure out like if I need to do a return like I need an else a sentence because I don't need I can just return regardless because the previous is return. I will do it for more clarity, but I don't think it's necessary. Okay, so else I want to firstly I want to return it. How I delete? Like how do I delete? Is this actually how you delete things? Like this is actually news for me. I never used it. This just looks weird for me. I wasn't aware this is something you could do. Like to be fair, it doesn't matter. Um, get key and value. So val equals self cache get the key. So now delete. Oh, it's so weird. This is embarrassing. This this has been here the whole time. And then the reason I delete it and then add it, even though it's not like the most effective way, just to keep it might actually be the most effective way. But it's more to just like keep the order. It's a LIFO. It's essentially a stack and dictionary combined. So yeah, delete ca cache key key. Pardon me. Maybe I should talk more British. I feel I'm more articulate when I speak British. Maybe not. To be fair, like I was gonna say something like, "Oh, they don't say the consonants," but I was suddenly thinking of something else. Um, and then you add it back. I think this is weird. Yeah, I think you add it back regardless. Key equals to val and return val. Put, okay. What happened? Update a key if so. If key in self cache, um, self cache key equals to value, and if it's not, we'll add it. Hmm. Yeah, how did they do that, actually? Of self. I will see if this works. Uh, to be fair, it does the same thing, to be fair, so I don't need it. Value if then of self cache exceeds the self capacity. Does it return anything? No, it doesn't return anything, right? Yeah, like, oh, self, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I don't want it to return it. So pop item is what I want. Self cache. Does this work? This looks just weird. Okay, it works. Like it worked for its purpose. I think my intuition was correct. Used way too much time on it though. But yeah, let's continue. Oh, oh, I see. I need to do it that way. Now I see the issue here, where I realized that I didn't see it, to be fair. Yeah, why is yeah, just to check that this isn't no, I don't know. I know. The issue, okay, I can explain the issue why this is not working. Essentially, I'm not updating it. I'm not putting it at that end anymore. So what happens with delete? Okay, I'm just gonna try it. Like with this looks so weird. Yeah, it looks so weird. Okay, I will go. His key himself. Cache, delete key, and then add it back. Else, just add it. I just don't like my code. It's bad code. This is actually really bad code. I don't know how the sound is when I go back here. Yeah, completed. It's bad code. Okay, then I'm done with this. I understood it, but I'm not happy with like how this went. Okay, yeah, hash implementation. Yeah, do I don't I get any? Let's say I'm done with that. Why did I get linked list? Oh, because I could have used that on. Wait a second. Oh, I did some of them. Oh, that wasn't. Um. Yeah, I want actually. This is dumb. Going. What is a prefix sum? Prefix sum. Like I've used it. I know how it works, but I never teach. I'll give you a second. I'll give another. Yeah, it's just. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I drew it actually in. This is the prefix, and yeah, this will make sense for you guys. I drew it like earlier, and I didn't even explain it. I just drew it. Okay, I kind of understand. I think I'm good. Did I? Yeah, I marked this as completed, even though I didn't. Okay. Okay, here we have some more things. I will say I have completed it because I reckon I will do some of them just like by virtue of completing this task. I'm just curious. Yeah, like let's do it. Valid anagram. Okay, I think yeah, that's a solution. That's an easy ass solution to solve this. Is it anywhere that it wouldn't be correct? Yeah, this shouldn't be correct. So no, except oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, then it's just yeah, it was kind of too easy. I feel bad for submitting it because I know I would have fucked up on it, not because it's okay group. Fine. Why did I do that? Okay, I I saw something about string dictionary. I didn't care. Okay, let me see how this would be. Would mm, I don't know if a dictionary would be the easiest. I think I'm really in a dictionary mood. So for okay, for string, the reason I write string and not the short version is because that's a function inside of Python itself. It's still bad to do it. Well, I realize that, but yeah, I'm committed to that. I just did it. Yeah. Let's create a template. No, to be fair, that's not necessarily the best one. Okay, what would be the optimal way? I see it's pretty simple. I think I would just do it with a template. Um, if string, yes, if sorted string in template, then you append it. So temp sort. I need to get more used to writing in snake case. I don't know why I do it that way. It's probably when coding other language. So I'm thinking like what language it might be. It's either Java or TypeScript. I just don't. It's so long since I've done this, so it's almost embarrassing. Regardless, temp equals sorted. Oh, pardon me. Equals sorted. Why did I switch between the dialects? Okay, so now we have temp sort. Cool. Okay, if in, okay, then it is dict of temp sort. Append? Is it append? Would that work? Append string. It doesn't work like this. It might actually do. Else temp dict list. It's not, or maybe it's lowercase. Yeah, list. Now I just want to like print temp dict just like out of curiosity if it worked. It didn't print anything. Oh, like I said, I have this bad way of doing it. Would this work? I'm just curious now. I don't have a list, do I? Do I need to do it like this? Where is temp dict now? Yeah, because you can't append to a string. Obviously. But can I just do this? This is such a lazy way of doing it. Oh, I got something. Oh, yes, shit, sorry. Why does this happen? Can I iterate over, like, I don't like that I got an error code regardless. I just want to do it as if I get answer equals to boom. List group and temp text. Answer append group. Like, does this work? Huh?